to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are trying out Sugar X Wonder Woman collaboration. We have a lot of new products to try. We have their face palettes, we have their matte lipsticks, we have their lip lacquer. So this is basically going to be a try on of all of the products. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I have the PR box here. I want to take you through the PR box also because it was almost like an experience altogether. So hold on. So you open the PR box and here you have some Wonder Woman stuff, which I'll try to use it once I'm done with creating a look. You open this and here we have all of the products inside. I am so excited to show you, especially the palettes. I've not really seen the shades of the lipsticks, which I thought would be interesting for the video, just to, you know, unbox and just check out the shades with you guys. But I have seen the palettes, the face palettes. So let's get started. So this is the first face palette. It's called Sugar X Wonder Woman Mixed Palette, and the shade is Primal Precedent, and this retails for 9.99 rupees. You take the sleeve off and this is how the packaging looks like. I honestly think that this is quite cute and also compact, which is awesome because it is a face palette. You should be able to carry this with you, and you also get a mirror in here. Okay, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Because this is interesting. So here is the mirror, which is quite nice. The quality is amazing. And then you have the shades over here. You have a highlighter, you have a blush, you have a bronzer slash contour, you have all of these beautiful shades. And tell me you don't think this is unique. I mean, I know a lot of the newer palettes have been coming out with these, I don't know what this is exactly called, I think marble looking shadows or whatever, but I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am. It also comes with this sponge applicator brush, which also, by the way, has like this shadow applicator over here, and it comes with another brush. I don't think I'll be using this, but it is a nice touch that they have added a brush, considering, you know, you should be able to carry this. I think that's quite nice. Next up is another face palette. This is Sugar X Wonder Woman Mixed Palette in the shade Cosmos Conqueror, and this also retails for 9.99. The only difference is this has got like this red packaging. Again, I really adore this packaging. And same thing, it comes with a really nice mirror. There you go. And then here are the shades. Now this also has your highlighter, your blush, your contour slash bronzer, and the shades in here are more of your everyday but very wearable neutral shade. So I really like how they have given variety for someone who just, you know, wants to play safe and is a neutral person. This would be your palette. Anyways, I'll get started with the face palettes really quickly. Other than that, we also have lipsticks over here. I will swatch all of these. So we have their lip lacquers and then we have their matte lipsticks. I am frankly very excited to be trying these palettes, so let's get started. So the way I want to do it is I'm going to try one palette on one side and other palette on the other side, and just, you know, give you my first impression, honest thoughts, which one I like better. I guess I'm going to start with this one because, like I told you, I'm just looking forward to trying this. Can I tell you, I was just waiting for the weekend so that I could just sit and experiment and just create look with this palette in particular. I'm super excited and pumped. So let's get started. I have my foundation on, concealer on. If it looks a little heavy, it's because my skin is super dry right now, like nothing really is helping. I'm gonna start with bronzer first from the Primal Precedent palette. There is quite a bit of kickback, which I honestly don't mind, but I do want to mention that. Okay, that's a nice cool tone shade. Really good shade for contouring, I guess. This brush is probably too big for contouring, but that's okay. Ooh, I think it of course looks super heavy at the moment, but I'll be blending that out. But the shade, you guys, is quite nice. I mean, it's a beautiful contour shade. Okay, I have my hair out of my face. Let's use the contour shade from Cosmos Conqueror palette. Let's see. Okay, this is slightly on the warm tone side. Okay, so far I think I like this side better with the contour shade at least. Let's now try the blush. So I'm again using the same palette first on this side of my face, and wow, this looks really pretty. Again, I think this is also going to be super pigmented. I'm just gonna do very little. It's a really nice pinky mauvey color. Ooh. On another blush brush, let's try the other blush color. I think I like this better. It's on the peachy corally side, and I am all about that shade at the moment. Ooh, this is so pretty, but again super pigmented. Everything so far is looking nice. The only thing is you have to be careful. I mean, this is too much, too pigmented, so just be careful, that's all. Okay, we are off to a good start now. Let's try the highlighter from this palette again. I mean, can you guys see how beautiful that looks? Although I think this could be a little too dark, or maybe not. Let's find out. This side, I don't know if you can see on camera, but on my skin, like in person, I can see that this is slightly darker on my skin tone, but I guess that's okay. Shade wise, it is gorgeous. I mean, wow. Again, I'm just going to slightly tap it into my skin. My skin right now is so dry that products in general don't look so good until I do this. It's time for the other highlighter. This palette of course looks like for lighter skin tones, and the other one is more so for medium to darker skin tones, and I think that's why I'm liking that one a lot better. But let's try this out now. Okay, yeah, this is also really pretty. This shade is definitely giving me champagne pop vibes. I don't know which one I like better though. I think I like both, right? I don't know. I mean, I like both the sides, but I still think this one looks much better because I'm just one of those people who likes everything golden and yellow and warmer colors. Let's proceed with the eyes. I'm gonna pick up this shade right here from the 02 palette, Primal Precedent, and I'm really going to pack this on my crease. Wow, I don't think I have this shade, like a shade like this in a matte color. Wow, that is some pigmentation, right? I know it looks crazy, give it some time. Now from the other palette, I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. This is a really nice transition orangey color. Again, this has a lot of kickback, so you have to do this. And I'm gonna start to blend this that I've just placed. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change the brush using a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it. Okay, let's continue with more blending. I'm just gonna take this shade right here. It's on the pinky side, and I'm just going to soften this color. Okay, listen, here's the thing. I have no patience. I'm just gonna swatch these and see how these look like. Okay, let's do that. Oh my god, these are freaking gorgeous. I don't know how to show you guys, but basically, can you see that foil thingy? Wow, let's watch it. This is so gorgeous. Let's watch this. Oh my god. I mean, wow. The texture, I'm not able to describe it to you guys. It's of course not a glitter, but it's also not your typical shadow. It has like the foil on top is just like crumbling into just this smooth butteriness. I don't know how to describe it, but let's swatch the other one. Ooh, that is a beautiful bronze. Okay, my lid is ready and prepped for some color. Before I do that though, I also want to swatch the sparkly, just like the shades from this palette. I'm gonna swatch. Oh my god, these are super buttery, and I mean, just looking at it, I thought it would be one of those powdery eyeshadow, but it's actually not. It's what is this? What is this? Super gorge. I will of course give you swatches of the rest of the shades, but for now I'm gonna pick up this shade and use it on my lid because this is a Wonder Woman collab. I really want to do a gold eye. That is freaking gorgeous. Let me come closer. One good thing is it is also applying equally pigmented with a brush, which very rarely happens with these kind of shades. Like, you generally end up using your fingers, but not with this one. I mean, look at the pigmentation with a brush also. Wow, that is a beautiful golden shade. When I looked at this palette, I'm gonna be honest, this just looked like but I mean, the quality of the shadows is just top notch, you guys. I don't know about other palettes. I've not tried other sugar eyeshadow palettes, but I can really vouch for this one because I honestly don't want to do anything else. I just want to do a bold wing, lashes, and be done with it. But at the same time, we have other just like gorgeousness to try. So what I'm going to do is actually put some of this prettiness, right, this one right on the center. Let's see how that looks like. And again, using my brush itself. I don't know, I mean, this could either go amazing or just ruin the look, but let's try it out. Okay, actually it's not bad. Wow, cool. You know what, I'm really feeling myself in this eye look. So yeah, I just feel like sitting here and just like looking at myself. But I'm gonna create a winged eyeliner, probably just finish the rest of my eye. I'll just, you know, add one of those transition colors on my lower lash line as well, and add lashes, and I'll be right back. We are back. Well, essentially I am back, and let me tell you, I am so impressed with the eyeshadow payoff. Let's now move on to the lip range. I have a lot of lipsticks to swatch, so now you're not gonna hear me talking, you're just gonna see these in action, the swatches, the color and everything, and I will meet you guys after I'm done swatching these.
There is a place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on, I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
back after swatching all of the lipsticks. Now let me summarize everything for you. The face palettes I highly recommend. I think you already know that by now. I mean, just the pigmentation, the payoff, the way it looks on the skin, everything is super flattering. The matte lipsticks, the packaging is very unique, I have to say. I mean, looking at this you would think this is your regular bullet lipstick, but no, it opens up when you twist it, and it also has this slant applicator, which I think was quite comfortable when applying the lipstick. The formula of this goes on like a waxy coat, like more so balmy, but then it settles down to a proper matte lipstick. And let me tell you, it was a task to remove these. My lips are dead right now. The liquid lipstick, I mean, most of the shades were just not meant for me, I guess. A lot of the shades are for extremely fair skin tone, so but apart from that, I really like a few shades. For example, this one and the nude shade that I tried. The formula is like a proper liquid lipstick. It's slightly sticky, not as sticky as your matte ink from Maybelline, but it's just tad bit sticky. Yeah, overall I really like this collection. I would give this a big thumbs up. I think the shades of the bullet lipstick and even the liquid lipsticks could have been a little more versatile. So that's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to this channel. You can click on the bell notification right next to it. You can follow me on Insta, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.